Welcome to Rayman Can. So I have the Arlo Pro 5S 2K camera. This is, oops, wrong, here this way. This is a neat security camera that's affordable and pretty easy to install. So I'm gonna show you how to do that and set it up. Let's get started. So I should say cameras, right? Because we have 3 of them, multiple cameras. Inside this box, you get 3 cameras, 3 rechargeable batteries, of course, a little bit of literature and a sticker, USB power adapter, USB magnetic charging cable, 3 tripod style mounts for the cameras, and the hardware for the mounts. So the first step is to make sure the batteries are charged. So we're gonna charge all the batteries up first. Simply plug the USB cable into the adapter, plug it into the wall. We're gonna insert the batteries into the cameras themselves. Press this button right here on the bottom. The front piece pops out. Insert the battery. Insert the face of the battery back into its shell. From there, connect the magnetic charging cable onto the terminals. Do this for all 3. While these batteries are charging, it's a good time to download the Arlo app, specifically the Arlo Secure app. Now, in my case, I've already added a device, but we want to add another device. So in the top right-hand corner, hit the plus icon. Hit add device, cameras. We're using the Pro series, and we have the Pro 5S. Whoops, back up. Pro 5S. It's telling us right here that it initially wants to add the cameras on a 2.4 gigahertz network. That makes it a more smoother process. After you connect it, you can always move it to a 5 gigahertz network, or you can keep it on the 2.4 gigahertz network. From there, enter your password, hit continue. From here, we're going to hit continue a few more times. What it's basically telling you is we need to remove the battery and put it back in to get the camera into pair mode. Or you can just simply take the camera out of its shell, the black part, and on the bottom of that, there is a sync button. You can hit that to get the blue light to come on, and that will allow you to sync it to the barcode as well, or QR code, I should say. You'll know the camera's in pair mode when the blue light is flashing. When the blue light's flashing, simply face the camera towards the QR code. You'll hear a pretty loud chime. That means the camera recognized the QR code. From there, hit continue. As you can see, it's looking for camera. It should find the camera within a few minutes. Then from there, it's going to ask you to name the camera. After that, it's going to check for updates, and it will update if necessary. When done updating, it's going to show you your bandwidth strength, and it's also going to tell you to put the camera in the desired location. In my case, I'm going to put one here, here, and here. From this screen, you can go ahead and hit continue. Your device is all set. Now let's continue with the install. All right, so to make it easier to install this first, we're going to just turn this and disconnect these 2 pieces. And we're going to start with this piece right here. I decided this is a good location, so we're going to go ahead and drill 1 pilot hole first with the appropriate drill bit. Now we're going to install our first screw to hold the bracket up. After that, we can drill our remaining 2 pilot holes and install our remaining 2 screws. Not too tight. And now to hold itself up, we can drill our remaining 2 pilot holes. Now let's install our remaining 2 screws. Remember, no need to over tighten these. All right, that's nice and sturdy. All right, now go ahead and install this piece. Let's rotate this piece back a little bit to make room for the camera. Now we can install the camera by just screwing it on. And again, turn this piece tight so you can make the camera as tight as possible. Doesn't have to be super tight. Once the whole ball assembly starts turning, that's when you know it's on there good. And then from there, this piece right here, you want to screw this back into the back of it. That's the final securement. And then from there, angle it where you want it to go. So in this case, we're going to put it right here. Then just tighten this up the remainder of the way. And now it's nice and secure. Do the same for the remaining cameras. Here's a look at all 3 cameras installed. Now, one of the standout features about this camera is the Arlo app. It's easy to use, has lots of features that allows you to create your own custom security experience. As you can see in the bottom left, we are on our dashboard screen. This allows you to view all of your viewable cameras. Also, this is the screen where you can arm or disarm your system pretty easily. Touch any window on this screen. It brings up all the triggered events for that particular camera. You can also snap a picture, record manually, or have a two-way conversation. This is just a test of the Arlo Pro 5S 2K security camera. We're trying to see how loud my voice is coming through the other end of the camera. Rayman, this is a audio test of Arlo 5S 2K camera right here. Now I'm talking pretty normal volume. That's my neighbor. Talking. No, I'm just review of the camera. Just talking. I know I talk back, but I'm just kind of an example of how video is gonna come off on video. I understand. Never mind. I'll explain to you later. The dashboard screen also allows you to customize it as well, so you can take off or put in place whatever widgets that are available. Over to the right, you have your feed, which shows you the latest events that were captured. Next up, you have emergency, which is like a speed dial access to emergency services. All you do is simply touch the particular service you want, swipe, and as long as your address is on file, it'll send that particular emergency services to your house. You can also activate the siren from the screen as well to scare away whatever. Next, we have devices, which shows you every Arlo device that you have connected to the Arlo app. This company makes more than just cameras. And the last thing is routines, which basically allows you to set certain routines. So, for example, on this day or this certain time of day, I want the camera to arm itself that I am away. And if it's triggered, it will do this and do this. So a siren will go off or it will send a notification. One of my favorite features about this camera is the motion detection and the color night vision. Also, the fact that it can identify the object, or some objects, I should say. In this case, it let me know that there was an animal detected in the backyard. If there was a car in the driveway, it says vehicle on driveway. If there's a person, it also says person detected. This camera also features a spotlight in this particular room right here. All lights are off. It is completely pitch dark. The dog's roaming around. The motion detection captured him along with the spotlight. And as you can see, it's pretty good quality. So overall, I hope this video was very helpful for you in terms of making the decision whether or not to purchase this camera, or if you've already purchased it, installing it and setting it up. My favorite features are the video quality, the night vision, the siren, and the app. I'm going to throw in the setup process as well. It was pretty easy. And check this out. This thing has rechargeable batteries, right? Which you're probably going to have to charge every 3 months depending on weather conditions. However, they make solar panels for this thing, so you'll never have to charge the batteries again. I already installed the solar panels. I'm going to do a video on that. I should have that video up within the next few weeks, so look forward to that. With that being said, questions or comments, please let me know. For the tools that I used in this video, I will put them in the description, along with a link to the product if you'd like to purchase it. Please like and heart this video. Share this video if you know anyone that could use this information. And I think that's it. Oh, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Follow. Take care. I will see you all in the next video. And thanks for watching.